guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video, part of my 12 days of Christmas. If you are new here, I am doing 12 different graphic liner looks inspired by not only the holidays but also your zodiac sign. So you're gonna guess in the comments right now, before you start watching this video, you're gonna guess in the comments which zodiac sign this look is inspired by today, and then if you wait till the end of the video, you will find out what it's inspired by, and we'll see if you're right. Let's jump into this one because this was a tedious one. I was on live with you guys for almost 3.5 hours creating this look, so hopefully this video gives you guys tons of insight where you can just get it done faster than that. I don't know if it's gonna be faster than like 2 hours, but we did it. We're done. We're good. So if you want to see how I got this Christmas light inspired look that looks like my earrings, then please keep on watching. And of course, don't forget to check out my old Christmas, it's in one of these corners, my old Christmas light makeup. It's the red and green Christmas light. This one's a little bit more of a rose gold, silver, and gold look. So let me know which one you like better too if you've seen both of them. All right, let's get into the tutorial.
In the tree from this Christmas sun, we forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talk for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on. From this Christmas
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. This look was inspired by, or is inspired by, Sagittarius. I chose Sagittarius for this look because there's lots of S's and G's and swirly letters in Sagittarius, first of all, and I feel like this kind of went with that. But also, I feel like Sagittarius are very fun people, and they are part of the holiday season, and I feel like they'd be like the life of the party. And I feel like Christmas lights are the life of the party. I mean, think about going to someone's house and like their Christmas tree isn't lit up, and then versus when it's lit up. Do you catch the vibe here? Do you see what I'm saying? So this look is inspired by Sagittarius. If you got it right, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't seen your zodiac sign yet for this 12 Days of Christmas series, comment your zodiac sign below, but I promise you it's coming. Thank you again for tuning in to this look right here. It was a tedious one, so I appreciate you to the moon and back. And I will see you guys in the next video, part of my 12 days of holiday liner, 12 days of Christmas, 12 days of zodiac sign liners, whatever you want to call it. But I'll see you soon.